In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to pages in Notion. Whether you're just opening Notion for the first time or brushing up your workspace, emojis are a quick way to make pages stand out and your notes easier to scan. We'll walk through two simple techniques: setting a page icon and adding emojis inside your text while you type. First, let's add an emoji as the page icon. Move your mouse to the very top area where your page title sits. When you hover there, you'll see an Add Icon button appear. Click that. A small menu opens with a default emoji already selected. Click that emoji to change it. From here, you can pick a new one from the menu. Choose random if you want, Notion to surprise you, or upload your own image file by selecting Custom Icon. Using a custom image is great if you prefer brand colors or a consistent visual theme, while a single emoji keeps things clean and fast. Remember, this icon shows up in the sidebar and at the top of the page, so it's perfect for labeling projects, notes, or dashboards at a glance. You can come back and change it anytime if your page evolves. Now, let's drop emojis directly into your text. The first method is the colon shortcut. Type a colon, immediately followed by the emoji's name, no spaces, like colon smile or colon fire, and then press enter to confirm. You'll see the emoji appear right where your cursor is. This is ideal for adding context as you write, marking statuses, or highlighting quick wins without breaking your flow. The second method uses the slash command. In an empty text block, type /emoji and press enter to open the emoji picker. This approach is handy if you prefer browsing visually before choosing. Once selected, the emoji is inserted inline, just like a letter, so it moves with your text as you edit. That's the core workflow: a strong page-level icon for quick recognition and fast inline emojis to add meaning on the fly. Try choosing a few consistent symbols for repeat patterns, like a check for done, a flame for priority, or a star for inspiration, so your pages stay readable and intentional. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.